Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make animated cartoon with Kling AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from an idea to a polished AI-generated cartoon using the core controls, without wasting time or credits. This is especially helpful if you want to create short cartoon scenes, fun character animations, story clips, or social media videos without needing animation software or manual frame-by-frame editing. First, open your browser and head to the Kling AI app. A desktop browser and a stable connection will give you the smoothest experience. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now so your projects can be saved and rendered in the background while you work. Signing in also helps you come back to your previous generations, compare versions, and continue improving your cartoon idea later. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Generate. This takes you to the main workspace where all the creative settings live. Think of this area as your control room. You'll set your idea, decide how it should look and feel, then let Kling build it. This is where your prompt, video mode, length, ratio, and output options all come together to shape the final animation. Start by typing your prompt. Be specific and visual. Describe your character, the animation style, the setting, and what happens. For example, instead of cartoon dog, try something like a playful 2D cartoon puppy wearing a red scarf, bouncing through a sunny park, bright colors, smooth motion, cheerful mood. Include camera cues if you want, like slow pan left, and mention tone and pacing. The clearer your prompt, the more consistent your result. A good prompt should feel like a mini scene direction, so Kling understands not only what to create, but also how the animation should feel. Next, choose the mode that fits your goal. If you're generating straight from text, select the standard text to video option. If there are stylistic or advanced modes available, pick the one that best matches your creative direction. The mode guides how the model interprets your prompt. For example, if you want a simple cartoon from only your written idea, text to video is the easiest place to start. But if you are working from an image or reference, an image-based option may help keep the character or style more consistent. Then choose the length. Shorter clips render faster and are perfect for testing different ideas. Longer clips give you more room for storytelling, but may take more time and resources. If you're exploring, start short, review, and iterate. This is a smart way to save credits because you can test your character, motion, and style first before committing to a longer final version. Now pick the video ratio. Choose widescreen for platforms like YouTube, vertical for mobile-first shorts, or square if you want an all-purpose format. Selecting the correct aspect ratio up front saves you from cropping later and keeps your framing consistent. If you're making a regular YouTube tutorial or cartoon scene, widescreen usually works best. If you're making content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, vertical will fit the screen better and feel more natural for mobile viewers. Choose the number of outputs you want. One output is quickest. Multiple outputs give you variations on the same prompt, which is great for comparing styles or finding the best take. Keep in mind that more versions usually mean more time. If you're trying to get a consistent cartoon look, generating multiple outputs can help you choose the version with the best character design, smoothest motion, and most natural background. When everything looks good, click Generate. You'll see the request queue and progress as Kling creates your animation. Once it's done, preview your result. If you like what you see, you're ready to move forward. If not, tweak your prompt, adjust settings like length or ratio, and try again. Iteration is the key to nailing a consistent cartoon style. Small prompt changes can make a big difference, so try adding words like clean 2D animation, smooth character motion, bright cartoon colors, or storybook style if you want a more specific look. That's it. Go from idea to animated cartoon with confidence using Kling AI. Once you understand this workflow, you can use the same steps for cartoon animals, fantasy characters, educational clips, kid-style animations, brand mascots, or quick storytelling videos for your channel.